Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You will begin by ensuring the essentials are ready. Contact Form 7 active, a Google Sheet prepared with headers and API credentials in hand. First, install Flamingo or a webhook plugin to capture submissions. This gives you a reliable hook. Next, create a Google Cloud project, enable Sheets API, and create a service account. Download the JSON key. Once done, share the target sheet with the service account email so the API can write rows. This prevents permission errors later. Now you connect submissions to the sheet. Install a plugin that sends form data to an external webhook or use a script like Google Apps Script. If using Apps Script, deploy it as a web app and copy the URL. In Contact Form 7, add the webhook endpoint or configure the plugin and map form tags to sheet columns. Exact header matching matters. Then submit sample entries to validate headers, data types, and order. Make sure status codes return 200 so entries actually append. Finish by securing and validating the integration. Restrict the service account to only the sheet and rotate keys if this is production. Verify that automated entries appear and set up error logging in Apps Script or the plugin to capture failures. If records stop, check execution logs, HTTP response codes, and that Contact Form 7 field names match the sheet headers exactly. If you still see issues, reauthorize the service account, redeploy the web app, and retest. This resolves most permission and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.